Ebyobulamu kikyali kyakusomooza kinene mu bitundu eby'ekkotido ekiri mu bbendobendo ly'e Karamoja nga bano balumbibwa buli ndwadde omuli n'ezo ezeekuusa ku ndya embi, embeera y'obudde kw'ossa n'ezo ez'olukonvuba omuli akafuba, siriimu wamu n'endala. Akafuba ndwadde emu ku ezo ezeegiriisiza mu kkotido n'ebitundu bya Karamoja ebirala ng'obulwadde buno okusinga bwegiriisiza nnyo mu baana n'abakyala. Ku kyalo Nakontu East ekiri mu ggombolola y'e Napumpum esinga okubaamu obulwadde obw'akafuba mu disitulikiti eno ey'e Kkotido, tusanze abasawo okuva ku ddwaliro lya gavumenti erya Napumpum Health Center 2 nga balambula abalwadde okubawa eddagala. Ono agamba nti abakyala be basinga okulumbibwa endwadde eno ey'akafuba ng'ayogedde ne ku kusoomoozebwa abantu bano kwe basanga.
Actually, the most common sex affected by this bacteria are women. As you have just seen, one is a lady. Even those ones who are following, most of them are women. The only complaint we have received from them is that they lack food to eat. And you know, these drugs needs you to at least eat food, then you swallow.
Teko Abdul Karim nga naye musawo okuva ku ddwaliro ya Napumpum Health Center 2 agamba nti obulwadde buno lwaki busaasaana nnyo mu bantu bano kwe kuba nti abantu bano basula kirindi ate ng'ennyumba mwe basula tezifulumya mpewo olw'ensonga nti tebazisaako ddirisa wadde akamooli.
Why the morbidity is so rampant? Within the community, more than 3 or 5 people sleep in a room, and these rooms are always unventilated. So we are likely to contract. If one has got a cough related to TB, can he or she easily transmit to others? So the concentration of sleeping is really very, it is likely to transmit the disease to others. Sleeping in one room is really, I think it is almost a taboo. No one sleeps alone, but they always concentrate. 10, even to 15 people in a room, unventilated.
Agamba nti olw'enjala eyazinga abantu bano bangi balemererwa okumira eddagala lyabwe ekibaviirako obutawona.
From the very beginning of the year, we have never experienced any spell of rain. And right now, people are digging and there is no sign of rain. So there is a big problem of food in this community. Even if we give them drugs and they swallow because they don't have food, they are likely to have what is called resistance, because they will not be responding to the drug they are swallowing. So food is a problem. That is why, of course, TB is hunger-related disease.
Ayongerako nti ebitongole by'obwannakyewa biyambye okuziba ekituli ekirekeddwawo gavumenti ng'asinzidde wano neyeebaza omusumba Solomon Mwesigwa owa Feed the Hungry East Africa olw'obuyambi bwawo abantu b'e Kkotido.
But at the moment, we have an organization called QAM, Doctors South Africa. It's taking certain measures on helping the TB patients, at least in giving some help, like some food, like in Matany. When we always identify certain sickness like the MDR within the TB, the so-called the multi-resistant TB, they always take part, and these patients are transported to Matany Hospital and they are cared really. Oh, thank you so much. We thank really this organization that is headed by Pastor Masige. If we really take this part, our patients will really cure. This is what I have observed. If you take a part in helping this community, we are going to treat them and they will get cured. So, bravo to Masige Pastor for taking this initiative of coming deep into our community, in taking part in giving them food.
Ye omusawo w'ekyalo Lokwijime Loiki annyonnyodde butya bw'azuulamu abalwadde bano olwo n'ategeeza abasawo ne bajja ne babajjanjaba.
So these patients, when we test them positive for TB, we give them treatment for 14 days. That is initial phase. After 14 days, we review these patients. We give again treatment for 14 days. We continue this for 2 months. That is the initial phase. After 2 months, we go to continuation phase. That is the 3rd month. So on the 3rd month, we give treatment for 28 days. The patient goes with this treatment. After 28 days, we review this patient.
Nyanga Ann nga y'omu ku balwadde b'akafuba agamba nti emyaka 7 azze akeberebwa wabula ng'akawuka abasawo tebakalaba ng'omwaka guno lwe kaazuuka era nga mu bbanga eri azaaliddemu abaana 5.
She has coughed for 7 years, but all along they have been collecting a sample for analysis, but it has been negative. This is the last time that now it has turned positive. And during that time when she was coughing, in the course of that cough, she has produced 5 children within this period of 7 years.
Ono agamba nti asanga obuzibu bwe gutuuka kukumira eddagala olw'obutaba na kyakulya ng'ate akawuka kaamunafuya omubiri nga takyasobola kulimira baana b'emmere abate ennyo bba be yamulekera.
The main challenge she has now is food issues, that it is going to affect her. She might not even now manage to swallow drugs because of food. The husband passed away. And now because the bacteria has affected her, she's generally weak, such that she cannot even dig now.
Bw'obanga munnaffe osobola okukwasizaako abantu bano obuyambi bwe tubwaniriza era ng'osobola okubuweereza omusumba Solomon Mwesige n'abo batuusaako mu bulamu bulukufu. Nze Annette Namatovu ne kukkiriza Trion ku lwa KSTV agaleero.